yung relevance ng testimony ng at least 8? And then number 2, are we saying that the testimonies of the at least 8 are credible?
Well, you know, the investigators seem to find those narration of facts as it relates to the money being delivered to the former speaker and to Zaldi categorical and consistent as to those facts. But as for the rest, hindi pa namin muna, we will not focus on that. No? What we are focusing on and what seems to be categorical and consistent are those statements as it relates to the money being delivered to Zaldico and the former speaker.
You don't want to use the word credible because maybe iba yung weight nun in terms of evidence, but credible.
Yes, of course, that is for the courts to decide. No? And for us naman, we are looking at the individual statements and we look at their consistency. Of course, the investigators have been able to study siguro the body language, the demeanor of the affiants, and they are of the opinion that we can use it. So, sa amin lang, sana mapirmahan na, sana magamit na namin para sa kaso, para sumulong or isulong na namin yung kaso.